Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Astra WordPress theme. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Appearance menu. From there, select Themes and click Add New. Search for Astra and then click Install to begin the process. Once installed, make sure to click Activate to make it your active theme. You can then find its options under Appearance and Astra options to start customizing. After activating Astra, a fantastic next step is to leverage its starter templates. These pre-built websites save you a ton of time. Simply install the Starter Templates plugin, which you can find through the Astra options. Browse the extensive library, pick a design that resonates with your vision, and then import it. This will bring in all the necessary pages, content, and settings, giving you a professional foundation in minutes. Now that your site has a base, it's time to make it uniquely yours. Head over to the WordPress customizer, accessible via Appearance, then Customize. Here, you can adjust global settings such as your site's color palette and typography. Experiment with different header and footer layouts, add widgets, and fine-tune your blog settings. The customizer provides a live preview, so you can see every change instantly before publishing. Astra is also packed with advanced features to optimize your site. Dive into its performance settings to ensure your website loads quickly, which is crucial for user experience and search engine rankings. It integrates seamlessly with popular page builders like Elementor and Beaver Builder, giving you even more design flexibility. Remember to check the description for links to these tools and other great deals. And hey, staying hydrated is key to productivity, so grab an Oala water bottle to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.